All of you, today we will discuss our new chapter 29, Greatest Children Book of All Time. Now, as you can see, first is Where the Wild Things Are, and it has been written by Murick Sandick. The second one is The Given Tree, and it has been written by Shel Silverstein. And the third one is book name is Winnie the Pooh, and it has been written by A. Milne. And the famous one, fourth one is The Jungle Book. All you know about it, and it has been written by the Rudyard Kipling. And the fifth one is Alice in Wonderland, and it has been written by Lewis Carroll. And the sixth one is Little Princess, The Little Princess, and it has been written by Antoine de Saint Exupéry. And quiz questions number one: Who is the author of the book A Wizard of Earthsea? And it has been written by Ursula K. Le Guin. And the second one: Which book has been written by C.S. Lewis? Answer is The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Now our next chapter is about endangered animals. First is Philippine eagle. It is an endangered bird. Now the second one is Sumatran rhinoceros. Third one mountain gorilla. Fourth one Iceland fox, and the fifth one is Amur leopard. And the sixth one is Mediterranean monk seal. Now quiz questions. The first correct take the correct endangered animal given one. First one is Californian condor, and the second one is Bactrian camel. Now we will discuss 31 chapter, how to prevent disease. First, you can see you must do it after using the restroom, handling traces or touching objects that are of public use such as door handles. Do it at least for a minute, scrubbing underneath your fingernails and in between your finger. Our answer is wash our hand. Now the second one, do it with a handkerchief while coughing or sneezing to prevent the spread of the disease. And its answer is cover your mouth. The third one, have vaccine as per prescription to avoid disease. Take vaccine while traveling abroad. Its name answer is immunization. The fourth one, eat a lot of fresh vegetable and fruit. Drink plenty of water. Run and jog. Play games to develop immunity agent microbes. Answer is eat healthy and exercise. The sixth one, do not share food or drink with sick people. Our answer is avoid contact with the sick people. Now our 32 chapter is about world superlative. First one is the highest mountain peak, and its name is Mount Everest. It is located in Nepal. The second one, the largest desert, it is Sahara and located in Africa. The third one, the highest waterfall, it's a Angel Fall, and it's located in Venezuela. The fourth one, the longest river, its name is Nile, Egypt. And the fifth one, the largest country in terms of land area, its name is Russia. Now our 33 chapter is about Indian women power. First, she is the first Indian woman to receive the Nobel Prize. Its name is Saint Teresa of Kolkata. The second one, she is the first Indian woman to go into the space. Its name is Kalpana Chawla. The third one, she is the first woman to have a missile project in India. Now, its name is Tassie Thomas. Now the fourth one, she is the first Indian woman to reach the first rank in the world badminton. Its name is Shania Nehwal. Now quiz question, who is the first woman governor of India? Our answer is Sarojini Naidu. The second one, who is the first woman president of India? Its name is Pratibha Singh Patil. The third one, who is the first woman prime minister of India? Its name is Indira Gandhi. The fourth one, the first Indian woman to rank number one woman doubles of the world tennis is Sania Mirza. Now our 34th chapter is about surface water sport. Now first you can see boat racing, second one yachting, third one water skiing, the fourth one is rafting, fifth one is kayaking, sixth one is rowing. Now the quiz question, first you can see that look at the picture surface water sport given below and take their correct name. First one is windsurfing and next one is parasailing. Now our 35th chapter is about seven wonders of the world. First is Christ the Redeemer, and it's located in Brazil. The second one is Machu Picchu, and it's located in Peru. The third one is uh, Chichen Itza, and it's located in Mexico. The fourth one is ruins of Petra, and it's located in Jordan. The fifth one, Taj Mahal, and it's located in India, means our country. The sixth one, the Great Wall of China, and it's located in China. The seventh one, the Roma Colosseum, and it's located in Italy. Now, quiz question: the wonder of the worlds made from the white marble. Its name is Taj Mahal. The second one, the Roman Colosseum. It's located in Italy.